cheap Mercedes wagon can look like a family tool or a luxury repair bill with a cargo area. We screen 5 estates by one rule: what must be healthy before the price makes sense. We cover the 124 estate, S204 C-Class estate, S211 E-Class estate, S212 E-Class estate, and S212 E63 AMG estate. See each car cold, load the rear. Scan every module, inspect the suspension and liftgate, verify the VIN, and let the record set the decision. A clean cargo area is not proof of a healthy wagon. A Mercedes badge does not turn estate car inspection rules off. You are buying an engine, transmission, brakes, tires, suspension, load leveling hardware, tailgate mechanism, wiring, emissions equipment, and the previous owner's loading habits. Mercedes-Benz's official archive separates the 124, 204, 211, and 212 estate generations into different designs with different equipment. Those are different repair systems, not interchangeable stories. Start with the exact model year, engine, transmission body code, market option codes, and production date. Compare the claimed mileage with tire dates, cargo floor wear, seat bolsters, tailgate switches, and invoices. Demand a true cold start, a Mercedes-capable full module scan, a lift inspection, a loaded road test, a VIN report, and a written estimate. Photograph every warning. Note the temperature and load when it appears, and ask the shop to separate a confirmed failure from a symptom that needs monitoring. A tailgate that works once in a driveway is not a service history. Ask for empty and loaded ride height numbers, brake thickness, tire dates, and any emissions test result in writing. If a seller refuses an independent inspection, the discount is information, not compensation. 124 estate is the old-school temptation: upright styling, enormous utility, and an asking price that can make newer cars look wasteful. Mercedes-Benz's official archive documents 124 series estates in the late 1980s and early 1990s, including the 300 TE24 variant. Age is the first risk multiplier. Start with a completely cold engine and inspect rust, oil leaks, cooling belts, ignition, transmission shifts, differential noise, steering, and brakes. Check the rear self-leveling system, hydraulic lines, accumulators, tailgate hinges, window regulators, seals, and cargo floor structure. Compare the odometer with pedal wear, seat fabric, loading scars, and old invoices. Confirm which parts are original, which were repaired, and which are simply unavailable in your market. A charming wagon can still need structural, hydraulic, and electrical work before it is safe to carry a family. Do not inspect an old wagon only with an empty trunk. Ask the seller not to start it before you arrive. Then record battery voltage, startup time, idle quality, and the first scan if the car supports one. Inspect the rear floor, spare wheel well, jack points, sill ends, tailgate seams, roof rails, and drain paths for rust or water entry. Measure rear ride height empty, add a safe test load, and measure again. Listen for hydraulic pump activity, bouncing, clunks, steering leaks, and differential whine. Test every window, lock, wiper, light, heater, and tailgate latch. The question is not whether the 124 feels solid on a short drive. It is whether its structure and load system explain the price. S204 C-Class estate offers compact dimensions, useful cargo space, and a long list of engine and option combinations. Mercedes-Benz's official archive places the 204 estate launch in 2007 and documents petrol, diesel, four-wheel drive, and C63 AMG estate variants across different years. Confirm the exact engine, gearbox, emissions package, and liftgate equipment. Check the cold start, cooling, oil leaks, transmission behavior, brakes, tires, steering, and front suspension. Operate the tailgate and cargo cover repeatedly, inspect the hinges and wiring, and look for moisture around the spare wheel well and rear electronics. Scan the engine, transmission, brake, restraint, suspension, body, and comfort modules before codes are cleared. A small wagon can carry a large options bill, so let the VIN and service file set the reserve. On an S204, make the electrical and emissions audit part of the inspection rather than a promise for later. Check the battery, charging voltage, fuse areas, rear electronics, carpets, door seals, and spare wheel well for moisture or corrosion. Test the liftgate from every switch, both rear windows, climate, seats, lights, parking aids, audio, and instrument display. If the VIN has a diesel or blue efficiency system, verify the emissions equipment. Warning history and service invoices instead of assuming the car is a simple commuter. Put the wagon on a lift and inspect control arms, tires, brake lines, exhaust, underbody damage, and leaks. Scan every module and save the event history before anyone clears it. A seller who calls repeated warnings one sensor is selling a theory, not evidence. The S211 E-Class estate is the practical luxury temptation. A large cabin, a serious cargo bay, and equipment that can make it feel newer than its price. Mercedes-Benz's archive documents the 211 estate from 2003 to 2006 and lists SBC electro-hydraulic braking, load-bearing rear air springs, optional airmatic, and even E500 and E55 AMG estate version. Start with the exact year and engine. Check the cold start, cooling, oil leaks, transmission adaptation, brake feel, tire wear, and ride height. Measure the rear suspension empty and under a controlled load. Scan every module, especially brake, suspension, body, and tailgate systems, and save the report before anyone clears anything. A fast, quiet E-Class road test proves comfort. It does not prove that the load control hardware is healthy. Ask which owner paid for brakes, rear air springs, compressor work, battery, cooling, and transmission service, and when. Compare the invoices with the scanned stored event history and the mileage. Measure all 4 corners on level ground, then repeat after the car sits and after a safe test load is added. Record compressor cycle time, warning messages, and any change in rear height. Test the EasyPack cargo floor, tailgate, roof rails, rear seats, climate zone, parking aids, and every window. Inspect the spare wheel well and underbody for water, corrosion, or recent cleaning that hides a leak. Have the shop separate confirmed faults from monitoring items and attach photos. If the seller describes a low rear corner as normal, make the lift inspection the decision. The S212 E-Class estate is the newer long roof play, with more comfort, more electronics, and several powertrain choices. Mercedes-Benz's official archive places the 212 estate introduction in 2009 and documents diesel, petrol, hybrid, E500, and E63 AMG estate variants with production and equipment differences. Verify the exact engine, gearbox, 4-wheel drive system, emissions package, and options by VIN. Inspect the cold start, cooling, oil leaks, transmission behavior, brakes, tires, steering, suspension, tailgate, cargo cover, and battery voltage. Drive it until it is hot, then repeat the comfort and warning message tests. Scan every module and compare stored mileage with invoices, tire dates, and interior wear. Newer technology can improve the drive while making a cheap example more expensive to diagnose. Our number 1 is the S212 E63 AMG estate, because the long roof combines family utility with a high-output AMG powertrain. The official Mercedes archive identifies E63 AMG estate versions within the 212 generation, but the exact engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, cooling, and market equipment still depend on year and VIN. See it cold. Inspect oil and coolant leaks, intake and boost data, transmission behavior, brakes, tires, differential, suspension height, tailgate wiring, and modifications. Scan every module and verify campaigns, accident history, and service invoices. Look for changes to the calibration, exhaust, wheels, cooling, or ride height that alter the repair reserve. A well-documented E63 can be brilliant. A cheap one with missing records is a performance build disguised as a family wagon. Save this 6-step process before you visit any cheap Mercedes wagon. First, see it completely cold and record battery and charging voltage. Second, photograph the VIN and confirm the exact engine, transmission body code, emissions package, and options. Third, scan every module and save the report before anyone clears faults. Fourth, put it on a lift and inspect brakes, tires, leaks, rust, load leveling hardware, liftgate wiring, steering, and underbody damage. Fifth, add a safe test load, drive until the car is hot, then retest ride height, braking, tailgate functions, climate, seats, windows, and warning messages. 6. Request a written priority list. Safety now, reliability soon, cosmetics later. Record empty and loaded ride height, compressor cycle time, tire dates, brake thickness, and cargo bay moisture. Photograph the cargo bay, rear arches, underbody, and tailgate harness before the car is washed. Ask for parts and labor separately and keep a reserve for coding, calibration, transport, taxes, tires, and a second inspection. Ask whether any repair needs calibration, coding, or a second leak test. Price the first-year reserve before you negotiate. If the seller refuses a cold start or independent scan, the inspection has already answered the question. 124 estate gives you age, rust, and hydraulic history. The S204 C-Class adds compact electronics and liftgate modules. The S211 E-Class adds brake and rear-level control hardware. The S212 adds newer comfort and emission systems. And the E63 estate adds AMG performance det to the same long roof. None is automatically a mistake. None is automatically a bargain. Winning wagon has a true cold start, a saved full module scan, a dry cargo bay, empty and loaded measurements, a lift inspection, VIN verified campaigns, brake and tire measurements, and invoices that explain the expensive systems. Before money changes hands, write down the next 12 months of work and the cost range. Include fluids, battery, brakes, tires, alignment, emission service, suspension, and any liftgate calibration. Separate confirmed faults from future maintenance and leave room for transport, tires, taxes, and one surprise. You are buying records and remaining life, not just a convenient shape. Buy the evidence, not the cargo space. If the seller refuses the evidence, keep your money and keep searching.